Here I want to share with you what the WorkBased project involves in terms of what we're leading up to. So I've created a document that you can, if you wish, use for yourself, or if it's helpful, to share with your line manager or senior leaders so they've got a understanding of what you're working towards now, then this document's available for them. So in terms of what we're working towards, it's not just the business project. So we've got, in this document, we explain that actually, in terms of the business project as a module, where you say weighting compared with other modules, it's worth the same as every other module. So it's only worth a quarter of your final degree. However, what makes this quite different is it also gives you the basis for your endpoint assessment for CMI. So it's got two roles. When we look at this document, a clear outcome in mind, we've got two elements to the business project. The first one is a project plan, if you like, the proposal for it. And then component 2, worth 80%, has got two elements. It's got the project itself, which is 4,000 words, and then you've got a presentation with it. Now, in terms of timescales, you've got the usual project duration, so the usual, module duration to submit the business project and do the presentation. However, you'll actually have longer. So if we go over to timescales, you'll be doing that and submitting the first bit of the project, so you plan in October. Then in December, you'll be doing your individual presentation and submitting your business project. And then you've got an additional couple of months to continue to build evidence of the impact of your project. So what this means is the project doesn't have to stop there in terms of collating results that you can talk about in your endpoint assessment. So the key thing that we need to think about when considering your business project is just make sure that it's actually realistic within the time frame you've got available. So quite often people have used it to do a chunk of a project, so that might be specifying which options are available for a certain problem, and then you might actually start rolling that out after Christmas and looking at what the results are. It may just be a very, very small project, so it might be a process improvement, or it may be an evaluation of potential solutions to a bigger project, so it could be more research based. But whatever it is, it needs to fit really within the sort of September to December timeline. So it can't be, even if you're doing your pre-work over the summer. So it needs to be something that's manageable, that you feel confident isn't overwhelming, but also that you can evidence some results in there.